Today we are going to learn how to use the Border Buddy set. If you need basic quilling tool introduction, I will give the link in the description box and you can check it. Basic Border Buddy set comes with 3 towers and a handle with it, which helps to make the grip easy. It has 3 main shapes: triangular, square and circle. You can fix the grip like so when you are ready to use. You can number the slots in all the towers from bottom to top or top to bottom. Then you can identify the exact size for your whole project. I am choosing the circle tower first, and I am using 5 mm quilling strips and randomly choosing a circle size. Applying glue on the strip and starting to wrap the strips tightly. Tightly wrap it around and secure the end using glue. Now take it out carefully. Here we go, perfect circle shape. Let's try this on the triangular shape now. Secure the end and take it out carefully. You can trim off if any excess. Let's move on and try the same on the square shape too. And make sure not to apply glue on the tool, so you will not be able to remove the strip out. Use a little amount of glue and wrap the strip around. Secure the end and take it out carefully. Here we go. Now we have very neat and perfect shapes to be used on our quilling projects. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.